This leads us to a practical framework that can bring all of these ideas together. There's a OR-STEP model: ask, acquire, assess, and apply, that provides a clear pathway to making data-informed decisions.
This is where it gets really interesting. I'm eager to learn more about this model and how it can be applied in a real-world setting.
It's a simple yet powerful framework that can be used to tackle a wide range of challenges. The first step, ask, is all about clarifying the problem or question you're trying to address. Let's say you've noticed a concerning trend of children re-entering foster care within a year of reunification.
Okay.
The ask phase is where you would clearly define that problem, perhaps asking, what factors are contributing to these reentries? Are there patterns or trends we can identify to understand the issue better?
So it starts with a well-defined question, almost like setting the scope for an investigation.
Exactly. Then the acquire phase is about gathering the relevant data to answer that question.
Right.
This could involve reviewing case files, analyzing demographic data, conducting staff interviews, or gathering feedback from families, anything that can shed light on those contributing factors.
It sounds like it's about being strategic and intentional with the data you collect, rather than just gathering everything and hoping something useful emerges.
You got it. Then comes the assess phase, where you analyze the data you've gathered. This is where you're looking for patterns, trends, and insights that can help you understand the root causes of the problem. In our reentry example, you might discover that a lack of post-reunification support services is a significant contributing factor.
So this is where those aha moments happen, where you start to see the bigger picture emerge from the data.
Exactly. And finally, the apply phase is where you take action based on the insights you've gained. This could involve advocating for increased funding for post-reunification services, developing new programs to address the identified gaps, or revising policies and procedures to better support families.
So the model isn't just about analyzing data in a vacuum. It's about using those insights to make real changes that improve outcomes for children and families.
That's the essence of it. And this isn't a one-time process. It's an ongoing cycle of asking, acquiring, assessing, and applying, constantly learning and refining your approach based on the data and the feedback you receive.
This is all making a lot of sense to me. I can already see how this framework can be applied to so many different challenges we face in the child welfare setting. I can't wait to learn more about putting it into practice during my training.